Okay, this is a 4-camera setup, including the one that's I'm talking on right now. So over here we have a Pi 02W running a no IR camera version 2.1. Over here we have a Pi 02W running a normal version 2.1 Pi camera. In the middle we have a Pi 3 running a high quality camera, Pi camera HQ. And they're all monitoring the 3D printer, printing a gear, and I will actually capture some video of those guys and what they can see. So this is the MotionEye operating system running on 3 different cameras. On the left we have the high quality camera using a Raspberry Pi 3. In the middle we have a Pi 02W running a Pi camera version 2, and over on the right we have a Pi 02W running a version 2.1 no IR camera. So you can see it's got a little bit of a reddish hue. It's letting in a lot more infrared light. I can show a single image of what's going on the Pi 3 with the high quality camera. It's hard for me to see this monitor from over where the cameras are, so I'm not sure if I got it focused exactly right. But here's what the Pi 02W running the version 2 camera looks like. So I did focus this one a little bit earlier, so hopefully it's close. And let's have a look at the no IR one. Got that reddish tint to it, and I have not focused this one. So it's essentially the same camera as the other Pi 0, but it's got no IR filter on it. And these things are a little bit overexposed on the actual part because it's really white, and there's quite a bit of light coming from these spotlights at the sides. It's really reflecting off the white part. So this arrangement with the MotionEye operating system allows me to monitor all 3 cameras at the same time. It allows me to actually have each camera recording time-lapse photography of whatever it's seeing on its own SD card, and I can upload those time-lapse videos. It allows me to trigger those videos on motion, so individually they can figure out if there's motion and start recording. So this is going to be very useful in the backyard where I'm not going to be watching this thing continuously. I'll just be depending on the cameras to pick up some motion and start recording. So it's I'll have to do a separate video on how we install all these MotionEye operating systems, but for now I just want to get some video out and published, just to show that there is some progress on this project. So this is the little gear that we were printing, and it mates up with another gear here very nicely. So this one is going to be mounted to the Hammond case, and this one is going to be on the motor. Let's see, like this. So this is a little gear motor. It's a backup motor. The motor that I actually ordered has not arrived yet, so this one may have to do in the meantime. So it is geared down so that it's going to rotate the camera quite slowly and pan hopefully fairly smoothly. This is how the gears were designed in FreeCAD. So the little gear on the left is the one that goes on the motor with the slot that goes over the drive shaft, and the big gear will be mounted to the Hammond box to allow the camera that it's containing to be panned by rotating the motor.